In this video, I'll show you how to install an app in Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, click Apps from the left side menu. Next, click Shopify App Store to browse available apps. Use the search bar to find the app you want to install, then open its listing to learn more about its features and pricing. After that, click Install or Add App. Review the permissions the app is requesting, then click Install again to authorize it to access your Shopify store. Now, follow any setup instructions provided by the app. Depending on the app, you may need to connect an external account, configure settings, or enable specific features before you can start using it. Finally, test the app to make sure it's working correctly with your store. You can return to the Apps section at any time to manage the app, update its settings, or uninstall it if you no longer need it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to install an app in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.